FANUC robots we've been using for probably 15 or so years. Really love their products. From a support point of view, I don't have to mess with robots. Moving over to FANUC CNC, my machines now are going to be like, I don't have to worry about them breaking. I don't have to worry about working on them. It's because I know they're bulletproof products. We built a machine for a company called MIP, and they wanted to make Allen wrenches. They wanted to be able to do double-ended tools, so they can do both ends of the tools at one time. So it was a really good opportunity to build a machine to where we can use the FANUC CNC and integrate it with the FANUC robot. It will take a blank and grind the one end of it with the Allen wrench fit. Then the robot will grab it, put it into a part flipper, put it back into the collet, grind the other end, and then go grab it and put it away. So when it gets done, it is a complete part. Being a 6-axis grinding machine, I think we had to get into the 30 IB. The nice thing I like about the 30 IB and the way we did it is we used the Panel I that I've never used before, because the Panel I is a Windows front end for that 30 IB series that then gives my customers more capabilities if they want to do a network or if they want to tie it to their existing systems. I got to use what FANUC calls their I/O link. It was a digital link that connects the CNC to the robot. One cable that went to the robot to the CNC, and it was a done deal. When FANUC has lifetime support on all their parts, I don't have to worry about the FANUC end of things or the support end of things because I have them behind me.